So if you know me, or maybe you've just been following me on social media, or maybe this is your first time seeing me, well, a couple months ago, I quit my job to go all in and pursue a career in real estate. Now, fast forward 2 months later to today, I am North Carolina's newest real estate broker, and I couldn't be more excited. I chose real estate because it's a job where you get to go out and help people every single day. And that's something that, I've been passionate about for a really long time. So I'm really excited to build my business around that. Another reason is I've absolutely fallen in love with the Crystal Coast. This place is amazing, the community is amazing. I could probably talk about it for hours, but I'd rather just show you. So. Brandon.Broome Coastal Properties. What do you guys think of that logo with the little bridge going across? Let me know what you think down below. So a lot of people have been asking me, where am I going to hang my license, or what agency am I going to work with? Now, I've done a lot of research on this subject, and I tried to make the best decision for me. And the agency that I've chosen is, let's do a drum roll, eXp Realty. Now, if you haven't heard of eXp Realty, you will very shortly. We've been absolutely blowing up the last few years. It's an all-digital firm, so everything is cloud-based. I truly believe it's real estate for the future. Now, there's a lot of different reasons I chose eXp over some of the bigger agencies, but I'm not going to get into that right now. For this vlog, going forward, it's not really going to be a whole lot about real estate. I'm going to sprinkle some of that in there, but really this vlog is to provide value for you guys and just take you along for the ride. So let's go. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Well, we're trying to keep it beautiful. We've been out here for the past 30 minutes volunteering with the Surfrider Foundation chapter, and we've been doing a beach sweep, so cleaning up the beach. We got a volunteer group today of about 10 people, but Jen and I are actually both on the board for the Surfrider Foundation for our local chapter. Basically, it's an international nonprofit. We fight for clean water, healthy beaches. Essentially, we're just ocean advocates. We love the ocean, and we want to continue to be able to enjoy it for years to come. So if you're interested in the foundation, it's super chill. We meet once a month at a coffee shop, and then we pretty much talk about upcoming events, and then we go to a local beach access and we clean up for about 30-45 minutes. A lot of cool people. We're really trying to help spread awareness, and it's just a great excuse to get on the water. So check us out. I'm going to link all their Facebook, social media, all that good stuff down below, maybe even here on the screen. Yeah, awesome stuff. So Jen and I decided to pop over here to Swansboro to check out the Mullet Festival. It's actually the oldest festival along the Crystal Coast. It started back in 1954. They actually were having a community dinner here to celebrate the completion of this bridge, which is the White Oak River Bridge. And the Mullet Run happens every year around this time in the fall. So that was what was on the menu, so they call it the Mullet Festival. So a little fun fact about that, but let's go have some fun. Alright, so I'm going to end this vlog right here. Thanks for sticking around if you're still watching. I'm planning on doing maybe one of these videos per week. That's the goal, and the content's going to vary, so it might be a video like this, or it might be a video about how to find a shark's tooth or the best seafood in the area, stuff like that. So if you could do me a huge favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then also the Facebook page. That's where I'm going to be pushing the majority of the content. So like the Facebook page. As far as real estate goes, you guys know that I'm licensed now and I'm ready to go. So if there's anything I can do for you, feel free to reach out. You obviously know where to find me. And I know that I'm a brand new agent. I can say that with confidence. All that really means for you is you're gonna get 100% of my attention. And to close, I wanted to show you guys, you might be wondering where I am. Well, I'm in a 28 passenger bus that Jen and I have been converting for 2 years. Her name is Wanda Outside. You could follow her on Instagram. But I think the next video, I'm gonna take you guys on a tour through Wanda. She's not quite done, as you can see, but I'm gonna show you guys what we have done up until this point. So I will see you guys next time.